everybody, this is Simi Bella again. Today I'm going to show you another haul from Sarojini Nagar market. I think you people liked my previous Sarojini Nagar haul video a lot. Therefore I'm going to do this one again. I went to Sarojini on a Monday. So Monday is officially closed, but you get a lot of good deals if you go on a Monday, because there will be a lot of export mal which will be lying around in these piles and piles of clothes. So yeah, sometimes if you're lucky you get very good deal, and I got some good deals which I'm going to show you today. So this is the first skirt that I want to show you. I got this from these pile of export mal, and this is from, believe it or not, Topshop, and it's in perfect condition. So it has sequins all over it, and it's in pastel pink, one of our most favorite color, and it has a zipper on the side, and it has a lining, a silk lining, or I don't know, silk lining inside. You can wear this in a party. So it was a very nice find. This, you will not believe it, was for 50 rupees. Yeah, so this Topshop skirt, I got it for 50 rupees. I asked him twice, is it really for 50 rupees? And he said, sub mal 50 rupees. So I was very glad when I got this. It's a very nice pastely pink skirt, and I loved it. The next thing that I want to show you is this beautiful shirt. It's not exactly a shirt, it's a top in the shape of a shirt. So it has long arms, long sleeves, and it has this detailing in the back, if you can see it. And it has the same detailing in the front with an embroidery and crochet design in the collar. So this was such a cute pastely shirt. Again, pastel is very in right now, so I was very happy when I got this one. And I was thinking of pairing this skirt with this shirt, so I can wear an inner maybe, and then I wear this, I'll tuck it in, and then I will wear this skirt with some nice wedges, and it will look very nice. It will give very good look. This I got for 150 rupees, and I think it's a very good bargain. The next thing that I want to show you is a white shirt. Yeah, if you can see, it has this detailing in the front, and I loved this detailing, this work in the front, because whenever I go to buy a white shirt, I don't get many choices. You know, whites are very boring sometimes. So when I found this, this is in silk material. When I found this, I was so happy. It has this lapel kind of a thing, and it has this great nice design in the front. If you can see this, it's gold embroidered work. It has these pleats, very finely made pleats in the front, both sides, and I really loved it. It has my favorite thing in any shirt. It has this rubbery thing here which keeps it intact, and it's the length is also very nice, and yeah, it has this golden thread work going all over till the end. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, so I really loved it, and whites will go with everything. In fact, I can even pair it up with this particular skirt. I can wear this top, tuck it in, and again I can wear this skirt. You know, it has multiple usage, multiple style. You can style it in a multiple number of ways. So it's always a good thing to have a white in your closet, or a pastel in your closet. The next thing that I bought is another white one. So before I found this white shirt, I was looking for something white, so I got this one. This is also very cute. Yeah, so this is a very nice white top or a blouse. It has this crochet design in the front, you can see that. It has a very nice sexy buttony hole here. Yeah, so it looks nice. It's so summery, it's so comfortable to wear, and this was only for 100 rupees. Yeah, So I really liked it, and I can wear it with a jeans or wear it with my denim skirt. The next thing that I want to show you is this long shrug kind of a thing. Yeah, it is quite long. It comes up below my knees and it is very comfortable. It's linen cotton mix. It is not very simple design. You can, like, I can just wear it like this over my top, or I can pair this up with a black dress or a black top, or even with jeans. So I really loved it. I got this for 100 rupees again. Yeah. The next thing I'm going to show you is this very nice black dress that I bought some time back. It was not on this Monday trip, but this is the dress that I'm talking about. It's a dress, black dress with collars and a lapel kind of a thing, which you have in coats. Yeah, so in suits and coats. So this has a lapel, a collar neck, and then this has like around 10 buttons till the end. So if I can show it to you. And it flares down as you go down, and it looks lovely when you wear it. It gives the proper shape that you want. And yeah, this was for 200 rupees. Yeah. The next thing that I got is this top. See, I got this top because I thought it was very summery. It was very loose and comfy. So I got this as soon as I reached Sarojini Nagar Market. But then I realized this top was everywhere in Sarojini Nagar Market. I could see it in every color. So I was so disappointed, because I generally don't, I don't know about others, but I generally don't like buying stuff which are too much, which can be seen too much in the market, or which can be bought by people and worn by people, too many people. So I don't like stuff that gets repeated. I don't want to go to the office and see other people wearing the same shirt that I am wearing. So if it makes sense, I don't know. So I really liked it at first, but as soon as I realized that there were like hundreds of pieces in every shop, in every color, I really did not like it. So I'm going to give it away to somebody else who does not stay in Delhi. So it will look very nice on them. So it has this flary arms again. Yeah, and it has this very beautiful design, fluorescent pink and yellow or green, I don't know. So it has this design, and it has this thread thing in the front, and it's actually very comfortable to wear. Yeah, so this was for around 200 rupees, I think. The next thing that I'm going to show you is this kurta. So this is a very nice peach colored kurta with buttons again from the chest area till the end, if you can see, if it makes sense. Yeah, and it has water length sleeves with buttons on the sleeve as well. Yeah. So I saw this first when I went to Sabhyata, very same kurta, and I really liked it. So I was thinking, shall I buy it? Shall I not buy it? I ended up not buying it. We walked out the shop, and then I saw the same thing in a local shop outside in half the price. So in Sabhyata it was around 900 rupees, I think. I don't remember exactly, but it was around 900 to 1000 rupees, and I got this for 300 rupees. Yeah, so the only difference between this and the Sabhyata one was that the fabric there was a little bit softer, but that does not really, I don't know, you know, the design is the same, the feel is the same. So I don't mind paying 300 rupees and getting the same stuff that people buy from Sabhyata for 900 rupees. The next thing that I got is this kurta again. I got two kurtas today, and I could not believe it when I saw this first, and I'll tell you why. Because I saw the same kurta hanging in W's showroom. So there's another showroom called W there. So I saw this same kurta in W. It's a yellow kurta with a V-neck and this designs on it. It has this very beautiful Taj Mahal, I don't know, Red Fort design on it. Yeah, this we got for 100 rupees. moving ahead, the other thing that I got is this summery top again. This was for 150 rupees. It has flowers all over it, and it has some crochet design here in the front, which is transparent, and it has long sleeves, and even in the end of the sleeves you have this, and it has the same design in the end of the shirt top as well. So this I got for 150 rupees, and it is again a very comfy top. You know, sometimes you don't want to dress up, sometimes you don't want to go wear a nice top. You know, you just, for example, if I have to go to Sarojini, I never dress up properly. I always wear these kind of loose flowing top. The next thing that I'll show you, and the last thing that I'll show you, is this again flowy top that I generally would like to wear if I go to Sarojini or Lajpat or Janpat, you know. So it's very comfy. It has buttons in the front, and this thread thing again in the front, and it is blue color. Yeah. So it is a very simple top, nothing to talk about. It was 100 rupees, and it's very comfortable. So I hope you like the video. If you do like the haul, please give it a thumbs up, because that will encourage me a lot. I don't know how many of you liked it, and please don't forget to subscribe, because if you subscribe, you'll get my notification for my future videos again. That would mean a lot to me. So please subscribe. Don't forget to do that. Yeah, so that's it for today. See you next time. Bye.